Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto swipe on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Since the auto swipe function is a Chrome extension, you will only be able to use it from Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Here, search for auto swiper for Tinder and tap the first link. You will be taken to the Chrome Web Store. So tap Add to Chrome and add extension. Once you do that, the auto swipe icon will show up on your toolbar. Next, go to tinder.com and sign in. Once you are on your home page, tap the auto swiper icon. You can adjust your age range, distance, minimum pictures, and more. Once you adjust the settings, tap Save and Start. And that's how you auto swipe on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.